Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lesson, we are learning how to recognize Arabic letters that have similar shapes. Now let's begin. Ba'un. This is Ba'un. This one is in blue is Ba'un. You can see the dots at the down. Ba'un. This is Nunun. You can see the dots at the top. The two alphabet has one dot, but each of the dots has its position. Ba'un has dots at down. Nunun has shape dots at the top. Now Ta'un, you can see two dots at the top, and this is Ya'un. Ya'un, two dots at the down. Sa'un, Sa'un, three dots at the top. Shinun, Shinun, three dots at the top. But they do not have a lot of similarity that can confuse you, but some people it can confuse them. You can see this Sinun, it has three shape, 1 2 3. You can see it three shape, and this Sa'un has no shape. Sa'un, Shinun, Jimun, Kha'un. Jimun has one dot at down. Kha'un has one dot at the top. Jimun, Kha'un. You can see the similarity. They are almost the same. What differentiates them is the dots. Jimun has dots at down. Kha'un has one dot at the top. Zayyun has one dot. Ra'un has no dots. Ra'un, this is Ra'un has no dots. Zayyu has dots. Zalun, Dalun, you can see Zalun has one dot. Zalun, Dalun, Dadun, Sadun. Dadun has one dot. Sadun has no dots. Dha'un, Ta'un. Dha'un has one dot. Ta'un has no dots. Ghainun, Ghainun, Ainun. Ghainun has one dot. Ainun has no dots. Shinun, Sinun. You can see the similarity, but what differentiates them is the dots at Shinu. Shinu has three dots. You can see 1 2 3. Shinu has three dots at the top. Shinun, Sinun, Dadun, Qafun. You can see this similarity when it is written in this way. Dadun and Qafun has similarity, but only in this way. You can check our previous lesson about the position of each alphabet. Dadun, Qafun. Dadun, you can see how it has been written. Qafun, you can see how it has been written. Qafun has two dots. Dadun has one dot. Lamun, Kafun. These two has similarity, but you see Kafun, there is like small hamza on top of it. Ta'un, Ha'un. You can see this Ta'un, Ha'un. Ta'un has two dots. Ha'un has no dots. This is Alifun, and this is Lamun. Alifun, Lamun. Alifun, Lamun. Ainun, Ghainun. Ainun, Ghainun. Ghainun has one dot. Ainun has no dots. Ta'un, Ha'un. You can see this is Ta'un and this is Ha'un. This is Ta'un also, and this is Ha'un. Ta'un, Ha'un. Ta'un, Ha'un. Nunun, Dhalun. Can see the similarity when it is written in this way. Nunun, dhalun. Dadun, dadun, ghainun. Dadun, ghainun. And this is dadun, ghainun. Dadun, ghainun. Ainun, ghainun. Ainun, ghainun. Amza, ainun. Amza, ainun. Now let us repeat it. Ba'un, nunun, ta'un, ya'un, tha'un, shinun, jimun, kha'un, zayyun, ra'un, dhalun, dalun, dadun, sadun, dha'un, ta'un, ghainun, ainun, shinun, sinun, dadun, qafun, lamun, kafun, ta'un, ha'un, alifun, lamun, ainun, ghainun, ta'un, ha'un, nunun, dhalun, dadun, ghainun, ainun, ghainun, amza, ainun. Amza, ainun. Don't forget to join us in our next lesson. Thank you for watching.